So our project is a library management system where it gives the admin of the library access to the records at the library. That is the books you have, share number of members, and records on borrowed books, then dates, issue dates, and due dates of road books, and so on and so forth. So here we have the admin dashboard, which gives you a summary of the total books and total members, books, and overdue books. Yeah, so you can perform action like you can add the books. The library issue a book out to a user. Yeah, with option allows to say equals or announcement. The members of the library that's through their email. And user now this option where you can add in a member to the library. They choose to join our library and get a library card. So coming to the book section also, for now we just have one book here which we did in class, and that's the fundamental. You have the title, the fundamentals of software engineering. You have the author, the ISBN category, and so the status. So I'm going to add a book to show you how it works. So let's say the son of Mbele. I'll choose Frank Mason and break this as my SKN. Category can be in literature, that's fiction, non-fiction, science, history, fantasy, depending on the type of book they are adding or restocking in the library. So fiction, Abisha, I'll say Rising Brothers, and yeah, it's a 2019. The number of copies you have in stock have at the library. So let's say 20 add book. So it goes into the database and it shows here that I've added new books to the libraries and we have 20 available. So let's go to the members section. It also shows you the details of the members here at the library. For now, they have just two members. That's Kenneth Bear with your email, the number, and your membership. Membership, you can have standard or premium. That's based on how long you're using the library, and so you get some privileges due to your type of membership you have. It shows the number of books you borrowed from the library. This helps you edit some details about the person. Maybe change the email or the number or the membership from premium to standard or anything. And also you can delete the person from your database if they no longer wish to be part of your library or they are no longer a member of the library. A transaction, it shows the date a book was issued, the date the person is supposed to return the book, and also the status of the person has, whether the person has returned the book or not. And also if the person does exceed the return date, the date he or she is supposed to return, that's the fine he or she is supposed to pay. So going back to the dashboard, and try the issue book option where you issue a book out to a member who wishes to borrow a book from the library. So let's say we pick the son of who played down and just added a member, we'll say Kenneth Bear, and the date issued, which is 7 and 15 July, and the due date that the person is supposed to return the book is on the 29th. So issue book. So you come to the member section and you see that Kenneth has borrowed one book. So going to the transaction section, you see that Kenneth has borrowed one book and the date it was issued and the date Kenneth is supposed to return, and its status shows that the book has been borrowed. So this is our system and just shows which biblios help librarians keep track of the records of the library. Also build websites for the library, which we named Archive Library, where you can have monthly recommendations of brand new books which we have installed. There we chose website educations dedicated the project here, where the user can also see different kinds of categories so you have under each category. Fiction, thriller, science fiction, children book, manga, and Dalmatians, history, so on and so forth. Also can read some reviews of what others or some members say about our library. Some reviews they will give about our library. See the opening hours here, and also how to contact us. Also, the user can also register to be a member of the library by clicking this button and also filling in this form, which will send the user details to the database, which will appear on the admin dashboard to show that you are also become a member of this library. Wow. Oh, database. Very. And here also allows the admin to log in. It's the admin web admin dashboard. So let's try creating a new try adding a members library. So let's say so on a pumpy yeah. No, it's at gmail.com. Email.com. There you have your number. Say class to the daily sales. Oh, yes. Where you where about this? To said and big references. Person stick with fix. So we added a captcha, so it's spell-based authentication. You register. Yeah. So with this, you go to the database and you find out that the user had been registered. Us, guys. Hold up. Here it says showing that John Mensah has been registered as a member of the library.